Hello, learners. Welcome back to the English Way. I'm Adam.
And I'm Janie. We're happy to have you here.
Ever wondered why some people speak English confidently, even with mistakes, while others know a lot of grammar but stay silent?
That's because fluency isn't just about practice. It's about mindset. So today's topic is the right mindset for fluent English.
That's right. Many English learners believe fluency comes only from practice, grammar, or vocabulary.
But the truth is, fluency is also about how you think while learning English.
Exactly. Today, we'll share 7 powerful mindset shifts that can truly improve your English speaking. Let's start with the first mindset. Make English enjoyable.
This is very important. If learning feels boring or stressful, people quit quickly.
Instead of forcing yourself, choose content you actually enjoy.
Cartoons, web series, sports commentary, simple podcasts, or short videos.
You can also read easy English books or stories.
And remember, you don't need hours every day.
Even 30 to 40 minutes a day is enough.
When learning is enjoyable, consistency becomes natural.
The second mindset shift is about observation, not memorization.
When you listen to English, don't try to remember every word.
Instead, notice how sentences are formed.
Observe word order, common phrases and sentence flow.
Also, listen to the tone and rhythm.
Are people speaking casually or formally?
Just observe. No pressure. Over time, your brain absorbs these patterns automatically.
Now let's talk about ego.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
They think people will laugh or judge them.
But mistakes are not failures. They're part of learning.
People who judge others' English usually have their own insecurities.
Every fluent speaker you admire today was once a beginner. Every mistake you make moves you forward. So speak without fear. The fourth mindset shift is about clarity.
Many learners translate everything in their head.
That leads to overthinking and hesitation.
A calm mind speaks better English.
Even 5 minutes of daily meditation can help.
It clears mental noise and improves focus.
Don't try to sound perfect.
Try to be clear.
Here's a mindset many learners struggle with. Progress is slow.
Fluency doesn't happen in a week or a month.
Some days you'll feel confident. Other days you'll feel stuck.
That's completely normal. Small daily improvement is more powerful than sudden motivation.
Trust the process.
This mindset shift is very important.
Many learners stay in learning mode forever. They watch videos but never speak. Fluency comes from using English, not just studying it.
Talk to yourself.
Describe your day in English.
Say your thoughts out loud.
English grows through use. And now the final mindset shift: don't give English too much power.
English is just a tool.
It's not a measure of intelligence. Be proud of your language, culture, and identity. When fear disappears, fluency grows faster.
Remember, you don't become fluent by knowing more words.
You become fluent by speaking more without fear.
Start today.
Be kind to yourself while learning.
Speak even when you're unsure.
Because confidence grows through action, not silence.
Keep going. You're doing better than you think.
If you found this episode helpful, like the video, share it with a friend and subscribe for more practical English practice. This is your host, reminding you that English is simple, fluency is a habit, and you are absolutely capable of it. I'll see you in the next episode.